Hello, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to talk about third molars or wisdom tooth. So this tooth faces a very difficult time during eruption, whereas the other tooth erupts easily. So in recent times, eruption of third molars and problem created due to third molars and extraction of third molars are increasing rapidly. So you all have the question that whether this problem occurred or existed in the past years like 60s or 70s or 80s. Or is this a strategy of dentists to remove the third molars just like that and earn money? The extraction of third molar is important or not? So for all these questions, you will get an answer in this video. So to know why this third molar creates so much of problems in eruption in our recent times like 21st century or 20th century, and this problem does not occur in our early ages, and we all have a curiosity why. Yes, so to know this, we have to go years back or even before that, like apes and monkeys, from where we all are evolved. And yes, evolution takes place in all human beings and in all living organisms, and the same way we all are evolved from apes and monkeys, as the theory says. According to it, even the monkeys and apes had all the teeth what we have, including the third molars, and they had no problem in eruption of third molars as they had a bigger jaw, and they had the purpose of the third molars to grind and masticate and to eat, as they all had raw foods and they need increased strength for mastication and they need additional tooth for mastication. And as the evolution takes place and we started cooking the food and we started eating it soft, so as we started eating soft foods, the purpose of grinding is decreased and they do not need so much of strength to grind the tooth. So the third molar started losing its purpose of grinding when it comes to 20th or 21st century as the evolution takes place. And this is similar to that of the tail, which lost its purpose or function and we evolved without tails. Similarly, we started evolving without the space for the third molars to erupt. So as I said before, we had a bigger jaw and now we lost the size of the jaw due to evolution, and in some people we still have space for the third molars to erupt, and in some people we lost even small space for the third molars to erupt, and that results in change in the path of eruption of the third molars, or change in the size of the third molars and change in the morphology of the third molars, and they even sometimes congenitally missing in some people. So all these reasons come just because of the evolution. So when there is no space for the third molars to erupt, the third molars tries to come out into the line of occlusion or in the arch. So it turns its direction and find its way out. So that is the reason why the third molars are tilted like mesially or horizontally or upside down or even distally, or even sometimes the whole tooth will be impacted inside the bone. So why it creates a pain or difficulty in opening or swelling when it erupts. As it is the last tooth and it does not have the space to erupt, it pushes the bone and even the adjacent tooth to find the way outside. So that will create pain and that will create a trismus, that is difficulty in opening the jaw, and that may affect the patient. So in some people, the third molars erupt in this way halfway out, and why the dentist asks us to extract the third molar which is not creating any problem in the patient. So when the third molars are erupted halfway out like this, and it does not create any problem, but it creates a space between the second molar and the third molar, and the food get lodged between this gap, and that will result in creating a dental caries in not only the third molar but also it will affect the second molar, and that will result in extraction of the third molar along with the second molar. So if we found that the third tooth is impacted in this way or any way, and even though it is not creating any problem, better you remove it for preventing the second molar. If the third molar is in normal occlusion in this way, it will not create any problem, and that will be a safe eruption of the third molar, and you have space for the third molar to erupt. So extraction of the third molar is not a strategy, but it is a preventive move by the dentist to prevent your second molars, which helps you for mastication and eating, and extraction of the third molars is no way going to affect your mastication or eating or your lifestyle, as we are not going to grind any raw foods, and we started eating soft foods, and 2 molars are more than enough to grind a soft food rather than having an unwanted disturbing third molar. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel.